When it comes to Bluetooth speakers, you will find it rather hard to find anything as unique as this. This is the Divoom Ditoo Plus Pixel Art Bluetooth speaker, and I do have to tell you that this thing is certainly different. The aim of this device is to be a more visually appealing and feature-packed Bluetooth speaker for the average consumer. They have opted for bright colours and mechanical key switches that partner up well with its retro arcade design. So, let's see what all the hype's about and unbox this guy. The unboxing experience was certainly a fun one. The packaging is bright and attractive, and it just feels like a well thought out process. You really only do get the speaker itself, but that speaker is powered by a 3000 mAh battery, which provides around 8 hours of power. Now obviously this will vary depending on a range of variables such as your usage and taking advantage of some of the smarter features, but I feel that's more than enough. As this is likely to spend most of its time on a desk or bedside, it won't be too difficult to plug it in and charge while using it off the mains. It will take around 4 hours to be fully charged from depletion, but like I said, you can still continue to use it. There is no doubt in my mind that the design is what makes this smart speaker a truly unique item. It has this vintage all-in-one computer look whilst looking like a retro gaming machine. I won't lie, I am in love with the design as it really gives life to any space. Despite its small form factor, it really becomes a focal point. On the right hand side we will find all of our connectivity options. If you don't wish to use Bluetooth for music playback, you can load some music onto a micro SD card so that your speaker has its own offline music library to indulge in, even if you don't have the option to connect to an external device. The power button is also located on the right hand side alongside the USB Type-C port for charging. The front of the speaker is home to that 16x16 pixel grid display that can show a variety of information and, believe it or not, is completely customizable. To control the speaker, there's a set of backlit mechanical keys that are used to change the speaker mode, adjust brightness, as well as track and volume controls. These are so cool. They are intended to be proper indeed mechanical keys, which provide a traditional keyboard clicky feel and sound when pressed. There is also a lever which is used to interact with certain speaker functions. All of it just gives this retro look that looks absolutely fantastic. The actual speaker for the Ditoo is located within the top screen part of the device. It is a 10-watt speaker unit which blares its sound upwards out of the top and has a passive subwoofer which is located at the lower end of the device. I will start by talking about the audio quality, as this was something that did truly shock me. It is surprisingly good. Take a listen to this. You can hear, despite its small form factor, it packs a punch. Sound is crispy and bass is surprisingly good. But there is no doubt there are plenty of portable Bluetooth speakers on the market, and a lot of them are much cheaper than this one. Not only that, but they will likely have better sound. However, as this is a big however, you don't go into purchasing something like this solely looking for a speaker. It is for consumers that want a little more from their sound system. And this provides that and much more. The Divoom Ditoo has a range of surprisingly good features that make it great for day-to-day use or as a device to add fun to your workspace. The speaker can be used to play built-in mini-games. Now this may not be for everyone, but with a range of options to choose from, it's simply just a great way to pass the time. This connects up directly to your iOS or Android device, and that's where you will get the full potential of this. We can completely customize the speaker and download additional content. We can play classic games like Pixel Racer, Magic 8 Ball, Snake, and so much more. Even with the limited controls, the enjoyment it brings from such a short period is great. It's just simply a great way to pass the time while you're waiting for work to be done. The app can be used to create and download artwork to show on the speaker's display by starting from scratch or importing your own image image from your camera reel. This can give your workspace its personal feel to you. There are some very cool and neat animations along with artwork within the app to personalize your speaker to what you actually want. You can make this unit shine for you. It really is certainly very interesting. Daily tasks and assignments can be aided with this unit thanks to the built-in library of daily skills. Here we can indulge in some helpful abilities like time planning, sleep aid with sounds like wood fire, rain, and many more, along with features like an alarm and even an online radio option. It truly is a jam-packed device. All in all, the Divoom Ditoo is a really unique and attractive speaker, boasting so many features that help make it a must-have for a range of consumers. Its retro pixel monitor can not only display the basics like time, date, and notifications, but it has the ability to bring entertainment to life using its built-in emulator to play retro games from your childhood. Be sure to check out the Divoom Ditoo in the link in the description. You won't be disappointed. Let me know what you think. Till next time.